dear friends, let us discuss an important topic, that is hair fall. As you know, in homeopathy we are following homeopathic rules, and a case taking is necessary for every individual, but there are certain conditions which seems to be very trivial and doesn't need any long case takings. Many times patient come to you and patient said, doctor, I am coming for my hairs and nothing else. तो और कुछ भी नहीं है, सिर्फ मुझे मेरे हेयर्स की दवाई ही चाहिए. इन सच केसेस आई डोंट थिंक कि हमें बहुत लंबी चौड़ी केस टेकिंग की ज़रूरत है, क्योंकि पेशेंट इज़ नॉट सफरिंग फ्रॉम क्रॉनिक डिजीज़, ही इज़ सफरिंग फ्रॉम ए ट्रिवियल एलिमेंट and that can be cured with homeopathy very easily without long case taking. So let us discuss something important regarding to hair loss. First of all, when a patient came and he told कि डॉक्टर मेरे हेयर फॉल बहुत हो रहा है और whenever I comb my hair तो कंगा जो है, जो कंघी है, वो पूरी की पूरी बालों से भर जाती है. तो मैनी टाइम्स आई रिसीव्ड पिक्चर्स फ्रॉम माई पेशेंट्स जिसमें उन्होंने अपनी कंघी जो है, जो कॉम्ब है, दैट वाज कम्प्लीटली फिल्ड विद हेयर्स. इतने ज़्यादा ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ हेयर्स वर लॉस ड्यूरिंग कॉम्बिंग हेयर्स. तो रिमेंबर, व्हेन द हेयर फॉल्स ड्यूरिंग कॉम्बिंग, ह्यूज फॉल, नॉट 1-2 hairs, 1-2 and few hairs are common while combing. तो some hairs fall, it is common. But if there is huge fall, पूरी की पूरी whole comb is filled with the hairs, then the remedy is Cantharis. Cantharis will never disappoint you in such condition. तो हम लोग usually इसको 30 potency में यूज़ करते हैं, दिन में 2 बार, 2 times a day in 30 potency, Cantharis 30, when hair falls during combing. इसके बाद let us move further. A patient told, doctor, my hairs are too weak. Whenever I just touch my hairs, they falls. And see this one and this one, देखिए hairs के ऊपर बाल आ गए हैं. तो whenever the hairs are too weak and they falls by mere touch of hands and mere touch of cap उतारेगा नीचे से, the cap is completely filled with small pieces of hairs. So remember, whenever hair falls by mere touch, the remedy is natrum mur. And also natrum mur is very good remedy for falling of hairs, especially in case of children. बच्चों के hairs जब जड़ते हैं, then natrum mur is very very important remedy, and the potency is again like Cantharis 30C, दिन में 2 बार. Let us move further. Whenever the hair falls but not from the roots, especially in case of women, naturally women has large hairs, long hairs than as compared to male. There are chances that the hair becomes thin and falls not from the roots, बल्कि बीच में, जब बाल बीच में से टूट जाए, not from the root, बीच में टूट जाए, then the remedy is fluoric acid. In fluoric acid, the hair fall is not from the roots, बल्कि सेंटर में से टूट जाते हैं. रूट में भी इंडिकेटेड होती है, लेकिन वहाँ तो पूरी डिस्ट्रक्शन हो जाती है फ्लोरिक एसिड में, तो बाल्डनेस आ जाती है. तो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट हेयर फॉल, नॉट अबाउट बाल्डनेस. तो फ्लोरिक एसिड में इन द सेंटर, नॉट फ्रॉम द root. Let us study Carbo-Veg. Carbo-Veg is important remedy for hair falls. And remember, when a patient come to you after taking so many medicines for hair fall, not other medicines, rather homeopathic medicines also, he came to you and he told, doctor, I am using natrum mur, I am using Cantharis, I am using phosphorus, I am using acid phos, all types of medicines are already exhausted. but there is no improvement in hair fall, then what will you do? My dear friend, in such a case, when a patient came after taking too much medicines and nothing, कुछ भी रिजल्ट नहीं है, बाल अभी भी झड़ रहे हैं, the remedy is carbo-veg. Why carbo-veg? If you study Allen key notes, in the last line it is written that there is a lack of reaction like opium. Hence, there is a lack of reaction especially in case of hairs. क्योंकि कार्बोवेज वैसे भी हेयर फॉल के लिए हम कंसिडर करते हैं, तो जो लोग बहुत ज़्यादा बीमार होते हैं आफ्टर प्रोलॉन्ग सिकनेस, आफ्टर प्रोलॉन्ग एक्यूट डिजीज़, वायलेंट एक्यूट डिजीज़ के बाद, जस्ट लाइक आफ्टर यू कैन से कोरोना, आफ्टर कोरोना patient will come to you and he told, doctor, I was suffered from corona and after that my hair gets fall. The remedy is carbo-veg. Carbo-veg दो condition में, there are two conditions. The first one is after prolonged illness, and the second when there is a lack of reaction. This medicine, that medicine, but nothing, no result. So the remedy is carbo-veg. Again the potency is the same, 30C twice a day. Let us move further. When the hairs, especially in females, splits into two, आपने देखा होगा कि दो मुंह वाले बाल, it is not common, but still the patient came who told, doctor, my hair was split into then falls. तो जब बाल जो हैं वो स्प्लिट होके दो भागों में बंट जाते हैं और टूट जाते हैं, तो दवाई जो रहती है वो रहती है जिंकम मेटालिकम. जिंकम मेटालिकम twice a day when hairs split into two and then falls. It is ginkgo metallicum. There is another important symptom of ginkgo metallicum. Hair falls especially in patients who are anemic. As you have already seen, there are many diet supplements which contains zinc and which also contains selenium. Nowadays market is full of such diet supplements which contains selenium and zinc. Then what is the indication of selenium? Selenium is written in the repertory. It is useful for hair fall. In Boric Materia Medica, it is simple written in hair section, falling of hair, and not more than that. There is no specific indication written in any kind of Materia Medica. Then how you prescribe ginkgo metallicum or how you prescribe selenium? So selenium is useful for elderly men. Elderly men में जब hair fall शुरू होता है, hair fall in elderly men, you can say just the beginning of baldness, not in young. In young people, if there is a baldness, remember Cilicia is a good remedy. Of course, Britacarb is also written in Dr. Kent's repertory, but I have found that the Cilicia is more effective than Britacarb if baldness arises in early age. But if it is in elderly person, तो I am not saying that कि every elderly patient वो bald नहीं होगा. It is a common process. It is a age process. Still we can help. We can prolong. We can delay the hair fall in elderly patients by using selenium. So I hope कि you understand where to give selenium and where to give fluoric acid, where to give ginkgo metallicum. So let us move further some other medicines for hair falls. As I have already told you regarding severe illness, if after severe illness the hair falls rapidly within few not even weeks, within few days, so many hairs lost, the remedy is thallium. Thallium met. Thallium is the remedy in which massive hair fall in a short period of time. Remember the word short period of time. You have seen a person having normal hairs, and after 2 weeks or 3 weeks, within few days, you see that person, how are you, where are your hairs, where they gone, बाल कहाँ गए आपके? तो he may say, I don't know, the falls within few days. Last month I am absolutely okay having heavy hairs, and within few days these are gone. The remedy is thallium met. Potency is again 30 दिन में 2 बार. जब किसी को माइग्रेन हेडेक होता है, there are many patients who suffered from chronic headaches, migraine headaches. In such patients where the headache is associated with the falling of hairs, the remedy is nitric acid, antim crude and silicea. There are 3 remedies written by Dr. Borick. Hair fall in patients who are suffering from headache, migraine headache. तो इनमें भी as per my experience, Silicea gives the excellent results. सिर दर्द भी ठीक हो जाता है उसके साथ. तो in this way we can treat the patient of hair falling without any prolonged case taking, without asking much information, actually we don't need much information in such cases, such trivial cases. There are so many other clinical conditions also, so that we will discuss in further lectures. So there is a remedy in the market, that is Arnica hair oil. Regarding that, I am interested to share that कि आर्निका का जो हेयर ऑयल है इसकी नीड कहाँ पे होती है और ये कैसे काम करता है, और हम इसको इंटरनल वे टू यूज़ आर्निका इंटरनल. तो आर्निका इंटरनल जो है वो तब देते हैं जब इंजरी के बाद अक्सर बाल जड़ते हैं. तो एक्सटर्नल में आर्निका से मोर इफेक्टिव प्लांट है. देयर इज़ ए प्लांट एंड दैट प्लांट इज़ इंडियन प्लांट that is available almost throughout India except in Rajasthan. The name of the plant is Eclipta alba. It is also known as Bhringraj. So you can make the tincture of the Bhringraj or oil of the Bhringraj, as it is available easily around us and it is more effective in Indian people as compared to Arnica montana. So for more such tips related to any other small trivial ailments, you can read Dr. Ranju's book, The Unique Clinical Tips. I hope many of my friends and many of doctors have already this book with them, and this book is very useful for such cases which doesn't need any case taking, any prolonged case taking or any mental symptoms. With this, I hope you will be able to treat hair fall cases very easily and without any prolonged case taking.